Hi, in the last section we have seen how to copy something in NumPy, right? So let me tell you, there is a huge difference between copy and view command. Actually, most of the student what I have seen, they are really confused about how is copy actually different from view. Okay, let me tell you, let me write actually what I am telling. The difference between copy and view. Look, the main difference between a copy and a view of an array is that the copy is a new array, okay, and a view is just a view of the original array. And copy actually owns the data, and any changes made to the copy will not affect the original array, and in any changes made to the original array will not affect the copy. Understood? And here if we'll talk about the view, then the view does not own the data, and any changes made to the view will affect the original array. And if you do any changes in the original array, then it will affect the view. Understood? Let me tell you via what we have discussed here by an example. Example exam, okay, example of copy. I told you that if you will do something in copy, then original array will not get affected, right? So let me tell you, first let me import numpy as np, then I'll do sharat, okay, is equal to np dot array, okay, and here let me give 1 2 3 4 5. I'm putting in an integer. Let me copy it. Let me do x, okay, x is equal to sharat dot copy. Okay, now I made a copy, and let me print this also, sharat, and let's say 0. Let's say I want to change 1 to 1 means this value to, let's say, 42. I am showing you what is the difference between copy and view. First I'll print sharat because now I have changed, and then I'll print the copy one, x. Understood what we are doing here? I have taken a variable, then I put it some values over here, and then I made a copy and denoted to x variable. I made the original copy, okay, this one, and then after copying I replaced a value of index number 0, which is 1, to 42. So now sharat will become 42 2 3 4 5, and x is x because x is 1 2 3 because we have already copied. If I'll print this, you can see the difference. Understood what we are what I'm saying actually? Copy should not be affected by the changes made to the original array. Understood? This is the copy. But if you will take an example of view, let me copy the same thing, this one, copy and paste. So what we will do, sharat num np array, then 1 2 3 4 5, we have taken 5 integer, okay, then x. Now here what we will do, I will change the copy value to view. Now I am viewing, and I will do the same thing, okay. I'll change the value of first number in sharat array to 42, same thing, I'll print the same thing also. But if I'll run this, then you can see both the arrays got affected. So if you will change the original array by making a view, then it will change the original array. Both will get affected. Okay, means it should be affected by the changes made to the original array. Okay, And this is the actual huge difference. So let me tell you, now you understood what the difference between copy and view. Now let me tell you, if I want to check which arrays owns its data, then we can do by some specific method. Check if arrays owns its data. Okay, look, copies owns the data. Understood? You have seen this in copy, right? And view does not own the data. But how can we check this? We have already did the method, but without completing the method, how we can check this? Look, every NumPy array has an attribute called base, and that actually returns none if the array owns the data. Otherwise, the base attribute refers to the original object. Let me tell you it by an example. Here what we will do, we will print a value of the base attribute to check if an array owns its data or not. Okay, let me write it. What we will do, we will print the value of the base attribute to check if an array owns its data or not. Okay, if some spelling is there, I apologize, sorry for this. Okay, let me copy, let me paste the same thing. Okay, Sharad np array 1 2 3 4 5, same example I am taking. Let me do x is equal to Sharad copy. Okay, now I'll take one more variable y, and here I'll do Sharad dot view. Okay, and now let me delete it. Okay, now I'll print Sharad. No, I'll not print Sharad, I'll print x dot base because I want to check. Now and here y dot base. Okay, if I'll run this, look what I got none and I got this. Means the copy actually returns nothing, because it is a copy, it's not an original array, it's not taking any original array, it is a copy. But the view returns the original array. What it means? It means it is affected by the original array. It actually owns the array. What we have written here, right? To check if an array owns its data. Understood? So by this way you can check whether an attribute or any variable owns any data, any original data or not. Okay, so hope you understood the basic concept between copy and view. Most of the people, most of the students of mine are confused here, so this video is basically to them. Go through the video and understood the things. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next sector. Bye bye.